Welcome to Swift Home Finds. Let's stop wasting money on useless trends. We've analyzed brutal data from Wirecutter and America's Test Kitchen to rank 15 independent, sponsor-free gadgets that actually work. The best deals are linked in the description below, but stay until the very end. Our final two picks feature a genius fix for your kitchen's most dangerous task and an indestructible culinary legend. Let's dive in. Number 15. Rotary Cheese Grater. Kicking off our countdown at number 15, we are banning pre-shredded bagged cheese from your kitchen. It's coated in anti-caking chemicals that stop it from melting properly. But grating cheese by hand takes forever and ruins your knuckles. This rotary cheese grater is the ultimate solution. You just drop a block of cheddar into the top, turn the handle, and it shreds an entire block in seconds. It features a strong suction base so it won't slip and your fingers stay miles away from the blades. Number 14. BladeBrush Knife and Cutlery Cleaner. At number 14, we are fixing a major kitchen safety hazard. Trying to wash a sharp chef's knife with a slippery, soapy sponge is a trip to the emergency room waiting to happen. The Joseph BladeBrush changes the game completely. It features a unique wraparound design with tough bristles on both sides. You just grip the textured outside, slide your knife through the middle, and it cleans both sides of the blade simultaneously while keeping your fingers completely shielded from the sharp edge.
Number 13 is for anyone whose countertops are cluttered with too many appliances. Why buy a blender, a food processor, and a dough mixer when one machine does it all? The Ninja Kitchen System is an absolute powerhouse. America's Test Kitchen experts always look for motor strength, and this 1,500-watt beast crushes ice into snow in seconds. You can swap the pitcher for a food processor bowl to perfectly chop salsa, or even use the dough blade to mix 2 pounds of bread dough in minutes. Coming in at number 12, we're making garnishing effortless. If your kitchen knife isn't perfectly sharp, trying to chop delicate herbs like basil or cilantro just bruises them into a wet, dark mush. These heavy-duty herb scissors feature 5 sharp stainless steel blades stacked together. One single snip equals 5 perfect knife cuts. You can chop parsley or green onions directly over your soup pot or salad bowl in seconds, leaving no mess on your cutting board. At number 11, let's banish the giant, bulky colander from your kitchen forever. Instead of pouring boiling water into a massive bowl that takes up half your dishwasher, this heat-resistant silicone strainer clips directly onto the side of any pot or pan. You just tip the pot, drain the hot grease from your ground beef or the boiling water from your pasta, and your food stays safely inside. It is the definition of working smarter, not harder. Number 10. Chicago Metallic Slice Brownie Pan. Number 10 solves the ultimate dessert debate. Who gets the crispy edge piece? If you love baking, slicing brownies cleanly in a regular pan is a sticky, crumbling nightmare. This Chicago Metallic pan comes with a brilliant metal divider that you insert before baking. It pre-slices your brownies perfectly as they bake, and because the metal conducts heat, every single square gets that glorious, chewy, crispy edge. When it's done, simply lift the divider for flawless presentation. Number 9. Gray Nonstick Pots and Pans Set. At number 9, we're upgrading your kitchen's aesthetic while making cleanup a breeze. If you are still cooking on scratched black Teflon pans where everything sticks, it's time for a refresh. This stunning gray and wood-accented cookware set is induction-ready and features a premium non-toxic non-stick coating. Food literally glides around the pan without needing a pool of heavy cooking oil. It looks incredibly expensive on your stovetop, but comes at a shockingly affordable price point. Number 8. Magic Bullet Blender. Number 8 is the undisputed king of the single-serve breakfast, the Magic Bullet Blender. Dragging out a massive blender just to make one morning protein shake is exhausting. With the Magic Bullet, you load your fruit and ice, press down to blend, and then drink directly out of the exact same cup. It comes with a flip-top to-go lid, meaning you have 0 extra dishes to wash before running out the door for work. Number 7. Set of 3 mini Springform pans. Coming in at number 7 is the secret to perfect cheesecakes. Trying to dig a delicate cake out of a normal baking tin will destroy the crust every single time. This set of 3 mini Springform pans features a quick-release clasp on the side. Once your cake is baked, you just pop the latch and the sides expand and lift away, leaving you with a bakery-perfect dessert. They are flawlessly non-stick and perfectly sized to fit inside an Instant Pot for pressure cooker baking. At number 6, we have the food storage containers that Wirecutter has praised over and over again, the Rubbermaid Light. Throw away those stained, cloudy plastic tubs that leak soup all over your lunch bag. These containers are built from premium material that is crystal clear like glass, but lightweight and shatterproof. They feature airtight, 100% leak-proof latches and brilliant built-in vents under the clips, so you can microwave your leftovers without taking the lid off. Number 5 is a luxury upgrade that actually solves a real cooking problem. Picture this. You are handling raw chicken with one hand, and you need to season it. Grabbing a manual pepper mill means cross-contaminating your whole kitchen. These sleek electric grinders operate with the simple push of a button. You get perfect, freshly ground spices using only one hand. You can adjust the coarseness easily, and they instantly make your kitchen feel like a high-end steakhouse. Number 4. Zulay Handheld Milk Frother. At number 4, we're saving you $7 a day at the local coffee shop. This isn't a weak, cheap stirrer. The Zulay Milk Frother is a high-speed, handheld powerhouse. In just 15 seconds, it whips hot or cold milk into a rich, thick, velvety foam for your morning lattes and cappuccinos. It comes with a sleek metal stand to sit proudly next to your coffee maker. And it's also phenomenal for perfectly mixing matcha or protein powder without clumps. Number 3. Ninja Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. Getting into our top 3. You shouldn't have to cancel your barbecue plans just because it's raining or snowing outside. The Ninja Foodie Indoor Grill lets you perfectly see your steaks and burgers right on your kitchen counter, and the brilliant smoke control technology ensures your fire alarm won't go off. But it's not just a grill, it's also a premium air fryer. You can grill a flawless steak and air fry crispy French fries in the exact same machine. Number 2. Dreamfarm Handheld Safety Mandoline Slicer. Now for the 2 kitchen legends we promised. At number 2, the Dreamfarm Safety Mandoline. If you meal prep, mandolins are the fastest way to slice vegetables, but traditional ones are terrifying and notorious for slicing fingertips. This brilliant tool completely reinvents the design. Your hands never get near the razor-sharp blade. Simply push your vegetables down through the safety chamber for perfect, paper-thin slices in seconds with zero risk of injury. It makes prep fast and completely fearless. Taking our absolute number 1 spot, the undisputed heavyweight champion, the Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet. While cheap non-stick pans warp and scratch quickly, America's Test Kitchen calls this pan a holy grail because it literally lasts a lifetime. Arriving completely pre-seasoned, it holds heat flawlessly to give your steaks a crusty, restaurant-quality sear that regular pans simply cannot achieve. It is totally indestructible. Use it on the stove, in the oven, or over a campfire. The ultimate investment.